You know, just listen. Smart cookie. Just sometimes you need to just shut the hell up. Okay, just give me a moment. Trying to regroup myself. Haven't been in front of this camera for Jesus knows how long. You do. Yes, you do. Church up in here. That's right. Oh my good Lord Jesus. We already spoke to him this morning. Okay, so good morning everybody. This is Sassy Pants. Sassy's in the house. That's right. My name is Miss Sassy Pants. And let me explain something to you. Okay, so the lady has been MIA. You guys know what that means? I don't know what it means either. Maya, whatever. Just keep your notes. Okay, so listen. I have been on vacation. And Miss Lady's been on vacation. So, well, first off, this one right here, yes, you dumbass. This, okay, there's nothing funny about her right now. I want to just boot kick you to the curb. That's right. We refer to her as depression, insomnia, because just it got ridiculous for like almost 10 days. So anyway, you guys, there's not a show. I'm not doing any skincare. I know it's so weird for me not to do skincare. Listen, guys, lady got me up this morning. She says, listen, get your best hair on. I was like, well, the best hair? What the hell does she think I do? Wear wigs? No, I don't wear wigs. This is my hair. So we got our do done, okay? Right before the birthday, yes, we just had a birthday last week, you guys. And so Tuesday before the birthday, we got our do done. So anyway, they washed the gray out. But I don't know what the hell they do. So listen anyway, guys. I know I keep saying that. Greg, be quiet. Just go back to bed. I didn't ask you to get up. She told me to get up. That's okay. I got my coffee. You want a cup of coffee? You go get your own. Just a moment, you guys. Let me show you my night t-shirt too. That's right. We don't do anything until we wear this. Check it out. This is what she. Well, I went and changed and put it on. This is a nightie, okay? And I'm not gonna stand up too far because I don't have anything on underneath. Just because I didn't want to put panties on. Chonis, whatever. Needs kayate. Okay, so hang on just a moment. Check this out. Okay. That is every morning. That's right. Coffee first. Anyway, so let's get to this and get to the most important stuff. It's like a news press, okay? We just want to thank everybody. I mean, just oh my God, my fans, all 6 of them, just emailing me, filling up my inbox, and Instagram. Had to turn off my notifications. You know, when you get 6 notifications in a month, I'm just kidding. Well, in like 2.5 weeks, well, you know what I mean. But just, well, you know, all 6 of my fans. It's all them 6 chairs. So just be quiet, you guys. I'm trying to explain something. I just gotta say, you know, thank you so much for checking on me and the lady and Smart Cookie, and nobody's checking on Dumbass because you're just a dumbass. Shut the hell up. And Netflix over here, lazy ass, because we've been doing that a lot lately too. Well, we have to. After they bring that little Oompa Loompa over. Oh, yes. Okay, so we thought that, you know, I was like, listen. I was like, okay, so the daughter calls the lady and she says, okay, so mom, we're gonna be in, okay, that town because we gotta go to the doctors, get all these things signed because the kids are going back to school. I was like, go back to school. They're supposed to be already in school. That's what I said. Stop pouring those Cheerios in the morning. Just send them down. Just throw them on the bus. So anyway, they'll find their way to school. Don't just throw them outside. I don't care. They can go to pajama day. Anyway, so they're like on their way and it's like, we're gonna come and visit. So I said, what the dear Lord of Jesus? Okay, yeah, you too. I was like, why don't you start the schools earlier? Oh my goodness, he doesn't know either. He was like, yeah, I thought everybody was back to school. Just because everybody's like, hello, Jesus, please let me have those classes I wanted. Oh yes, the cute teacher. Anyway, but just, you know what I mean? It's like, okay. Oh no, they don't start school until Thursday and Monday. So she brings the little Oompa Loompa over, and she's like one for sound. I'm just gonna tell you right now, dear heavens. I told the husband, said, put it back in the box. I just put it back in the box and put the tape over it. Because that thing was all over the house. It was like, oh, just throw them there, over there, over there, over there, over there, over there. Yes, we had to sleep. And then she says, listen, Miss Lady, Mom, whatever. Okay, Smandy Moo. Her husband, or whatever he is, I don't know, he's like Greg. You're like our better half. Okay, whatever, who cares? Just be quiet. Greg, shut up. Don't shut up. Because we don't talk to each other like that. Greg, you know we don't. My dear, keep that thing on the bottom of your face. This thing, keep it shut for just a second. She says, he's gone. He's out of town working. So, Miss Lee, you know, Mom, whatever. So she asks her, come and let's have a girls' night. She says, girls' night? What she's trying to get, you know, we're trying to get up in the groove, get in front of the camera, start filming again. She goes, let's come and spend some time with the girls, have a girls' night. I said, okay. So I think I might take all kinds of stuff. I can't take any boxes, you guys. But I think that Sassy just might, you know, with Sassy, okay, that's, I had it. Just chill it down. Smart book cookie, back it up. It's like a beep, beep, beep. It's like the garbage man this morning. Just back it up. Stop dumping the trash. But listen. I was like, really? This lady, you're taking us all over to, so we're that little one that's wound for sound. We're gonna go spend time over there, and you're taking like the, you know, the tripod and the camera and this, and we're gonna go do filming over there. She goes, so why not? We'll just go have fun with the girls. Whatever. I was like, you know, this isn't even news. So you guys, here it goes. Okay, so we might be gone for another couple of days. I just wanted to stay home and film. I miss not having an audience when I do my skin care. Skincare. Just, well, who cares? It's skincare. It's one word, 2 words, who cares? And opening up boxes. Oh yes, because you know she loves to let me open boxes up. You guys, you know what? We started a new subscription, whatever the hell that is, subscription. Ice cream, but there was no ice cream in those damn boxes. I'm just gonna tell you that much right now. Look, it's no big deal. Okay, so we got Sipsy, Lipsy, Ipsy. You know what? You know this one. These ones are from like, I don't know, February. I'm just kidding. I don't know what. Anyway, these ones are from like way back. The ones before this month in August. Okay, so I have my August Sipsy Lipsy Glam Bag X. We have, and I'm not joking, 7 BOXYCHARMs. 8 IPSY bags. 2 months of ice cream, but there's no ice cream. I'm just letting you guys know. If you're expecting to see ice cream in the ice cream new subscription box, there's no ice cream. So just letting you know. Is that it? Is that all? Is it? Yeah. Okay, because the other ones we just opened about. Well, you know, the ZC. Okay, so. Oh yes, my paper box. You know what? I really don't care. So anyway, all right. So everybody knows August. It's me. It's my birthday. Well, it's everybody's birthday, you guys. Let's say happy birthday to Sassy. Oh, Sassy, queen of skincare. Don't ask how. Greg, I already told you how old I was. Just because I had a birthday does not mean I'm the next number. It just means that I'm just that much gorgeous. That's all it does. That's it. Because you add another number, it's just like, my God, you see, I look like I did yesterday. And the day before, and the day before. So it's no big deal. It's not like, oh my gosh, you're a year older. No, I look the same as I did yesterday. That's right. So anyway, the queen of skincare turned 1 more year. Well, I completed a year. I don't know how that works. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of my show. That's all I got. I'm gonna go just, well, you know, Miss Lady, Liz, hey, Miss Lady, can you go get in the kitchen and make me something to eat, like a sandwich, and then I want to see something naked? Greg? Lazy ass, you say that all the time. Make me a sandwich. I want to see something naked. Anyways, on with the show. It's not a show. It's just an update. Okay? So I said I would stand her 10 minutes and what the hell? I don't know. You got the timer. You're like going, that's enough. You just shut the hell up, too. It's just, you know what I mean? I missed you, Smarty Cookie. You're like my favorite. I know, I like you better than the lady. Okay, anyway. Let's get this coffee on. This is only cup number 1, you guys. And, you know, I gotta decide if I'm going to stay with a little, it's like a top, zoop, and just let her go. It's just like, she's like those Oompas. Yes, she is. Because there's enough. We have to stay politically correct. You guys have yourself a safe hump day. Oh, Greg, it's hump day. You're on the calendar today, dude. You are not off the hook. It's hump day. Okay, you guys. Look at this. I'm fogging up my glasses. That's how hot I am. I'm getting so like, you know, he looks so handsome when he wakes up in the morning. His hair is all peacocked. You know, when it sticks straight up. I know, amongst other things. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to try to do another video before Friday. We'll try to get it done, posted. But if the lady keeps us over there until Friday, then we are really up shit creek. So, hopefully, we'll see you in the next couple days, okay? So, bye. Peace. That's right. Coffee first.